Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your ActiveCampaign subscription and stop your email marketing and automation service, follow these step-by-step instructions for proper account cancellation. Step 1. Log in to your ActiveCampaign account using your credentials on the ActiveCampaign website. Step 2. Click on Settings in the left sidebar menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Navigate to Account or Billing within the Settings menu to access your subscription information. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Cancel Account option. This is typically located at the bottom of the Billing or Account Settings page. Step 5. Click on Cancel My Account to begin the cancellation process. ActiveCampaign will display information about what happens when you cancel. Step 6. Provide feedback about why you're canceling your account. Select a reason from the drop-down menu or provide additional comments. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms. Your account will typically remain active until the end of your current billing period, and you'll retain access during this time. Step 8. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes, cancel my account, or entering your password for verification. Step 9. Export important data before your account closes. Go to Settings and look for data export options to download your contacts, campaigns, and automation workflows. Step 10. Save copies of any custom email templates, automation blueprints, or important campaign reports you may need in the future. Step 11. Check your email for confirmation from ActiveCampaign, verifying your cancellation and providing details about when your account access will end. Step 12. Remove any ActiveCampaign integrations from your website, such as forms or tracking code, to prevent errors after your account closes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.